Dallas County in southeastern Texas until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over western League City, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include League City, Texas City, Friendswood, Alvin, Dickinson, Lamarck, Santa Fe, Webster, Hitchcock, Southern Clear Lake, Backcliff, and San Leon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.